On December 11, Weixin Shengjiao College hosted a keynote lecture by Professor Tsai Yuan-Lin from National Zhengzhi University's Department of Religious Studies. Professor Tsai shared insight on the concept of transcending the ordinary to attain sainthood, fostering meaningful exchanges with attending scholars and researchers. Master Yuan-Xin introduced Professor Tsai and his lecture on fundamental principles and methods of religious studies, focusing on Michel Eliade's theory of transcending the ordinary to attain sainthood. Professor Tsai discussed the differences between Eastern self-salvation and Western other salvation, highlighting their contrasting views on the sacred, the macrocosm, and the microcosm. He explained Eliade's concept on the sacred and the profane, as well as the process of transcendence. He also noted how traditional religions use tangible architecture to symbolize sacred spaces, while modern civilization has diminished such spaces. The lecture further explored issues of sacred time, eternity, and the role of religious rituals and festivals, offering profound insights that engaged the audience. Professor Tsai discussed the transformation of humans into sacred or divine beings, as well as the tension between modern secularization and re-secularization. His insightful lecture sparked enthusiastic responses from the audience. Master Yuan-Jian linked the discussion to Weixin Shengjiao's practices of end-of-life chanting, while Master Yuan-Xin, Principal Yang Yonglie, Vice Principal Li Zhenmei, and graduate students engaged in lively discussion and Q&A with Professor Tsai, bringing the lecture to a successful close. Weixin Report.